See, regarding freeze panes, just look at the board and see what happens when you are scrolling the screen. It goes up, down, or left, right. But in Excel, the most important part is your column heading. Primarily column heading. Secondarily, there should have some reference at the left when you are scrolling the screen from left to right or right to left. So it is your right to have what is there at the top, that is what is the column heading. Otherwise you don't know what this figure is, what these numbers or what these dates are. Can you tell me what these are? No. And for that I want to have the column headings always at the top when I am moving around in Excel. Suppose I want to have first 4-5 columns till city to the left and column heading at the top. So what is the cell of intersection? That is G3. We want to have F at the left, so go to next cell, next column, and the cell below column heading, this cell. Go to freeze panes and freeze it. Now you scroll. Column heading will always be there at the top. At the same time, whatever you had defined for freezing at the left, that is still column F. You go on moving, it will be there. Practically what happens? When you are working in Excel, many times you maximize the screen and try to scroll. Here in this case, it is very well possible to see what below the column headings are. But if you want to move left to right, it is moving. See, look here. It is moving, but no movement on the screen. Oh my God, it's like that. So problem is that you yourself have maximized the screen. That is why it is not possible to view it. Movement is already there at the back. Okay.